Hello students, welcome to the 7th video lecture on the topic polymer chemistry. In this small video, we are going to learn two important polymers. One is terylene, that is known as Dacron, and the other is Buna S rubber. So let us start preparation of terylene. So the monomers used in the preparation of terylene are ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. So I represent ethylene glycol, HOCH2OH. This is the monomer used for the preparation of terylene. The name of the compound is ethylene glycol. I take N molecules of this monomer plus another monomer used is like this. This is benzene ring and here is carboxyl group. Similarly, at para position there is carboxyl group. I take N molecules of this monomer. The name of the compound is terephthalic acid. So these are the two monomers used in the preparation of terylene. एका मार्काला प्रश्न विचारला जाईल, write the name and formulae of monomers used in the preparation of terylene. So ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid, these are the two monomers used for the preparation of terylene. Both these raw materials are heated at about 420 to 430 Kelvin in presence of catalyst. Zinc, acetate and antimony trioxide. Polymerization reaction takes place. OH group of acid combines with hydrogen of glycol, and water molecule is eliminated. So I write here minus N times H2O. N water molecules are eliminated and polymer is produced. So these are two monomers. From this monomer, polymer is formed. And how to represent polymer, I show here. This is benzene ring, C double bond O. This OH combines with ethylene glycol molecule. Therefore, I have not shown that OH. On left hand side, C double bond O, single bond O, ester linkage is formed. अल्कोहोल मधला H आणि ॲसिड मधला OH कंबाईन होऊन वॉटर रिमूव्ह झालं O, CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड O असं लिहिलं पहा मी. ग्लायकॉल मधला हायड्रोजन आणि ॲसिड मधला OH रिमूव्ह होतोय. So the polymer is represented by enclosing inside in square bracket. The the subscript N is written on the right side of the bracket, on the right side of the square bracket. So this compound is pteryline. This is pteryline or dacron. So remember, pteryline is a polyester fiber or polyester polymer. It contains ester linkage C double bond O. This is ester linkage. So pteryline is polyester fiber formed by the combination of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Condensation polymer, therefore water is eliminated in this reaction. The reaction takes place in presence of zinc acetate and antimony trioxide catalyst. This pteryline has high melting point. It is resistant to chemicals and water. It is used to prepare wrinkle-free fabrics. Wrinkle म्हणजे सुरकुती किंवा घडी. wrinkle free fabrics तयार करण्यासाठी या टेरिलिनचा उपयोग होतोय. टेरिलिन can be blended with cotton to get terrycot. टेरिलिन can be blended with wool to get terry wool. So remember, to prepare terrycot and terry wool, teriline is used. It is also known as PET. That means polyethylene terephthalate. This PET is used to prepare bottles and jam preserving containers, or jam packaging containers. So this is the use of PET, polyethylene terephthalate. So this is about preparation of teriline. If it is clear, I explain the next polymer. The next polymer that we are going to study is Buna S rubber. So here I write the heading, preparation of Buna S rubber. It is elastomer. It is elastomer. It has elastic property. It has elastic property. The raw material, this is phenyl group CH double bond CH2. This is styrene. So styrene is the monomer used to prepare terylene, to prepare Buna S rubber. I take N molecules of styrene plus CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH2. This compound is one butadiene. How to write the name of this compound, that I am explaining. This is number 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4. It is a derivative of butane. There are 2 double bonds. When double bond is present, the suffix ene is used. There are 2 double bonds, therefore the suffix diene is used. And A from the name of alkane is retained. From the name of alkane is retained. At one position double bond is present. At 3 position double bond is present. Therefore 1,3-butadiene is the name of the compound. It undergoes polymerization. Look here, how to write polymer. Shift this pi bond here, this pi bond here, and this pi bond here, and write polymer. Take N molecules of monomer. So I represent here phenyl group CH, CH2, pi electrons are shifted here, CH2, single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CH2. And here single bond. This is polymer. How to represent polymer? Enclose this in square bracket. Write subscript N on the right hand side of the square bracket. This is called Buna S rubber. Or it is also called SBR, styrene butadiene rubber. In examination, the question may be asked for 1 or 2 marks. Give the preparation of styrene. Give the preparation of Buna S rubber. So remember, it is a copolymer or heteropolymer. The monomers used are styrene and 1,3-butadiene. It is elastomer. It is more useful than natural rubber. Its properties are modified it is more superior than natural rubber. It is used to prepare tires. It is used in tire industry. It can be vulcanized by heating with sulfur. Vulcanization is the process in which properties of polymers are modified. It makes more strong, more elastic. So in this today I am going to stop here. We saw preparation of terylene, that is Dacron, and preparation of Buna S rubber. Some more polymers we are going to study, not today but in next video. Thank you so much.